Today, I'm out here in Idaho, chasing smallmouth bass, and it did not take long for things to get wild. I'm flipping a rage craw and working a wacky rig through shallow structure, and these smallies absolutely crushed it. If you've ever wondered how to trigger aggressive strikes in muddy water, or when to choose finesse over power, this is the video for you. Let's get into it.
Rolled up on our first spot. We're up here in Idaho. I'm gonna start with the IMA Flit 100 jerkbait. We'll see what we can get with that. I'm gonna throw white for now just because the water's a little stained. You get some color in there. So we're just gonna work these banks for now on this riprap and these rocky points and see if we can find these fish. We'll probably mainly focus on throwing the jerkbait for the morning unless we see some top water and the finesse bite comes in around. Might throw a drop shot. We'll throw a drop shot. Who am I kidding? It's my favorite thing to throw. Well, we'll see what we can do from there. I'm gonna get over here in this flat. I'm using got the Phoenix M1 rod. I got a new reel for Father's Day. It's the Abu Garcia Revo X. So far, first impressions, I love this thing. It's super smooth. It casts light lures out and it bombs my heavier lures. I have it with a, what is that? The gear ratio I believe is a 5-1-1. So it's actually perfect for cranking. And jerkbait fishing. It allows me to reel in that slack pretty dang good. Might be more beneficial when the morning comes up more to go find more clear water. I haven't really marked anything on the sonar. It looks like there's a few fish on there. Just hooked up to the first fish of the morning. Oh, and he's off. Quick release, I guess. Whatever. He was a little guy anyway. Just hooked into him on the drop shot. Just pitching it on this bank. Just getting real close and personal with this stuff. Oh, had another. Let's see, they might be stacked right there, dude. Fix that worm up. There we go. Looks like a decent fish. And broke me. There you go. He's a good fish. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're sitting in the mud. And he inhaled it. I mean, that's a choke, dude. There we go. Getting 3 Let's go. Yeah, I gotta tie a hook on them. Take him all day. I didn't get it on the GoPro. I just caught one though. I got it on the 360 cam. Throwing the black and blue rage craw in this muddy water. See that? I'm just pitching it in this bank. This is pretty much the same thing I've been doing. Just switching different colors. They're being super picky. They don't want nothing really running around, and it seems like they're hitting it on the fall though. Yeah, I see him. That carp. So we're finding them on the little points of these pines is what it seems like the pattern is, and when we run into some grass as well. Like I said, with the water being so muddy, I'm just trying to throw something that stands out. Isn't it? That's a little guy, maybe. That's a toad. That's bait, bro.
Oh, that's cute.
Giant. No, that's on the craw. Rage craw. A little guy again. That hook was about as big as him. There we go, he's pretty. Wacky rig. He's alright. Whoa! Hey buddy, you're getting the lens all slimy. So simmer down. There you go. Another little guy. Right in the shallow stuff. Right in that shallow stuff, right on the bank. Let's go, dude.
Thanks for coming along for this Idaho smallmouth bass trip. Those Rage Craw and Wacky Rig bites were next level. If you're into fishing and outdoor adventures, hit that subscribe button. I drop new videos every week, rain or shine. And hey, which bait would you throw first? Let me know down in the comments below. I read every comment and I make sure to reply to every single comment.